Hey friends, if UWP apps are not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Now, it's not very difficult to do it. I'll tell you the process. First of all, update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows update tab on the list on the left hand side and select check for updates in the right pane. This is the first solution. The second solution is WS reset. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store and relaunch it. And the last one is to reset that application if it is with a specific application. Okay, let's say for the sake of this example, the application is ShareX. So search for it, click on app settings in the right pane, scroll down and reset that app. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.